In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize views, filters, favorites, and search in ClickUp. Let's start inside ClickUp. Think of this as your command center for everything your team is working on. Make sure you're in the correct workspace. Then head to the area where you typically manage tasks. From here, you'll focus your attention and quickly surface the information you need. Next, open your space. A space is a high-level container for related work, like a department, a project portfolio, or a client group. Clicking into the right space ensures every task, list, and view you see is scoped to that part of your organization, which keeps your context clean and your decisions accurate. Now, dial things in with filters. At the top of your task area, open the filter controls and choose the criteria that matter for the moment. You can filter by assignee to see who owns what, by due date to focus on near-term deadlines, by status to isolate items that are stuck or ready to start, and by priority, tags, or custom fields to zero in on specifics. Combine a few filters to tighten your focus and watch the list update instantly. If your results feel too narrow, remove a condition or broaden a date range until you're seeing just the right slice of work. With your results refined, choose the view that best matches how you think. Open the View menu and select the format you prefer. List is great for detailed scanning and quick edits. Board groups tasks into columns, perfect for visualizing flow and handoffs. Calendar lays everything out by day or week for schedule awareness. Gantt shows timelines and dependencies when you're coordinating milestones. Table gives you a spreadsheet-like grid for power sorting and analysis. Pick the one that makes sense for your goal, and notice how grouping and columns adapt to highlight the most relevant details. As you explore, keep favorites in mind. In ClickUp, favorites are simply handy shortcuts to places you return to often, like a go-to filtered list or a board you check daily. Identifying a favorite view helps you build a consistent rhythm and reduces clicks the next time you need it. Finally, use search to find anything fast. Click the search field at the top and start typing keywords from a task title, description, or comment. Add a teammate's name or a date to narrow results, or use quotes for exact phrases. You'll see matches across tasks, docs, and more, so you can jump straight to what matters. That's it. Start in ClickUp, open your space, refine with filters, pick the right view, and rely on search to stay speedy. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.